Hello everyone, my name is Megha Patel and this is my presentation on software that tracks the AI algorithms just the way algorithms track human activities for collecting private information. My design proposal is an application that will track users' everyday activities based on visiting sites to give a data collection report on how their private information is being used or stored. This report will be weekly based on notifying users about the actions and if their private data is in danger. It will also suggest users taking appropriate actions regarding protecting their private information. The purpose of this product is to create a confidence in user about their awareness of using social networking sites and to inform them about their private data collection. Research question is that what are some factors affecting software users' understanding of privacy concerns, especially concerns influencing their use of software. Basically, understanding individuals' ability to protect their private information and aspects of concerns. The research study I present to understand the concept behind this application is online self-disclosure, the privacy paradox explained as a temporary, discounted balance between concerns and reward, which explores the privacy issues that is not mainly just about awareness in users, but also their actions toward considering privacy. And the study claims that many people do have knowledge but do not take precise decisions. The purpose of this study is to understand the privacy paradox. The privacy paradox is described as the gap between users' concerns toward privacy and privacy-related behaviors, also providing knowledge about how privacy concerns are not valid predictors of privacy behaviors and user implementation to safeguard privacy. Another purpose of this study is to describe the psychological aspect of social reward. Social reward in this study is described as the gratification and satisfaction derived from participating in online interpersonal interactions, and that's where the privacy concerns arises from. This is a research model which describes how their study is going to take place, describing privacy concerns, distant future intentions, self-disclosure behavior, near future intentions, and social rewards. The method that researchers use in their study are the first is construal level theory, which is a theory in social psychology that describes the relationship between psychological distance and the extent to which people's thinking is abstract. This study consists of an anonymous survey-based experiment, and participants were from US public universities. There were total 275 people volunteered, which made the survey anonymous to avoid any kind of bias regarding the results. The survey contained two instruments on 7-point Likert type scale. The first instrument was from previous literature questions related to awareness and control of privacy practices. The second instrument was based on current literature questions related to social reward on taking actions. Some examples from it are someday I would like to better protect my data, or in future I will be careful providing information to social networking sites, etc. Major findings from the study is that distant future intention do not significantly predict the behavior, while the near future intention do predict the self-disclosure behavior. Social reward exert a positive effect on the near future self-disclosure intention, whereas it has a very small or non-significant effect on distant future intention. And the privacy concerns does not exert any significant direct effect on the self-disclosure behavior, which is their main findings. This table provides standardized information results based on the first instrument, which was from previous study literature. This table provides information based on second instrument, which was on current study, and both the data were collected in the metrics and analyzed in structural equation modeling. The reliability and limitation of the study are that it is more than 200 samples, which gives support to their claim, and equally, the survey was unbiased based on any human categories. There is a deep understanding of previous studies and expanded connection to the current literature. Some limitation introduced where it is a common survey sample and researchers had no information about the disclosure of sensitive information of participants, and it was a convenient sample study. Research studies connection to my proposed design. It provides understanding behind the actions needed to be taken by individuals while using social networking site, which is the purpose of my proposed design product. It also has a depth information on the gap between awareness and behavioral actions. The study also provides a psychological reasoning connection to contextual level theory, and the main focus is that the knowledge can be applied to develop tools for social networking sites and companies, which is the main focus of my application. And this study helped to understand different elements. Lastly, it also suggests to develop modified policies and operating tools to help educate and alert user, which is one of the purpose of my proposed design product. So this is my presentation on my design product, that is a application which will help user determine their actions based on where do they provide their information. And the study claim the main focuses of how application will be adopted. Thank you for listening.